Do you wish to know and do more regarding safety and security precautions for your home beyond the security camera? Then sit back and take a few minutes to watch this video. We will consider security measures that would prevent your home from being breached by criminals. And also provide expert security tips for security threats that are in-house related. Whenever our homes are burgled, we feel not only the pain of losing our valuable properties but also we feel violated. The psychological implication of such feelings cannot be measured or imagined. You are not likely to feel very safe in that apartment for a while. We shall be looking at several security precautions or tips that will assist you in improving security and safety in your home. The following tips will improve your home security against burglary. Always lock your doors and the windows. Burglars usually find it easy to access most homes, because people are not careful about having the doors to their homes locked. Most people hardly think of locking the linked doors in their homes. This is because they presume such doors are not exposed. These doors may not be external doors, but they give an intruder unrestricted access once they gain entry to your apartment. Having them locked will definitely limit an intruder's access to your home. Having burglar proofs for windows is also another means of fortifying your home. It's equally important you double-check your door and windows after workmen have rendered any service in your home. Some criminally minded ones might intentionally leave a door or window open for future burglary attacks. Reinforce your doors. It is very important to reinforce every entry door in the home with either a door brace, bolts, or iron poles. If you use sliding glass doors, you need to reinforce them on the inside with either metal or strong wooden rod. Other forms of reinforcement you can do on your doors include installing deadbolts or safety doors. Add automatic porch lights and a peephole to the door. A peephole on your outer door will provide you with a wide-range view of visitors coming to your home. We prefer the automatic porch light for this purpose. It enables you to see your visitor even in the night, unlike the peephole. Always change the locks of a new apartment, particularly the outer ones whenever you move into a new apartment. Smart locks and keyless locks are other readily available options that take care of an intruder opening your doors without your knowledge. You can find a link to buy some of these door locks on Amazon in the description below. Always shut your garage door. Garage doors are another common entry point for burglars to the home. It is important to keep the garage door shut when no one is there. Also, do not leave the garage door key in your car, as burglars can easily gain entry into your car and pick the key. Use door and window blind, particularly at night. This will obstruct someone outside from having a view of what is going on inside the house. A door and window blind or decorative film will take care of this. Let adults always answer the door. Don't let children answer the door. This rule should apply to both strangers and acquaintances. Be careful in handling a strange face who is at the door. You need to confirm the person's identity before letting him in. Smart doorbells really come in handy here, as they can help you see and speak with anyone near the door from wherever you are. The following are precautions to follow in the home to avoid domestic accidents. Lock up all weapons securely in a safe. If you own any kind of weapon including a gun, make sure you have them securely locked up. A safe for your gun is ideal because of how sensitive its exposure to an unauthorized person is. On the necessity of having a weapon at home, you may never have to use one except your home is invaded by a criminal. There are different kinds of weapons for self-defense apart from the gun. Weapons like pepper spray or stun gun should do. The need to have them securely kept is, however, paramount. Store pills and other medications properly. It's important to keep medications, household cleaners, and disinfectants away from the kitchen vicinity. Be careful not to leave pills and other medicines lying around carelessly. Children may mistake them for candy and ingest them. Mild medicines can be left in the first aid box, but prescription drugs should be stored away carefully. Also, don't forget to routinely check all pills kept in the first aid box. This will prevent you from leaving an expired medicine in the first aid box. It's important to always have aspirin in stock. It will serve as the first aid for heart attack. Ensure the safety of all bathtubs. It is not proper to leave children unsupervised in the bathtub. An adult ought to be around to see everything is okay while they are taking their bath. Slip-resistant mats are important for the tub, even though it is mostly used for the elderly. Truth is that everyone is susceptible to accidental slips either in the bathtub or a shower. Grab bars are additional safety features you can have in the bathroom to avoid a fall. Consider investing in a surge protector. A surge protector is an appliance that protects all home electronic devices against electricity surges. Some of these electrical surges usually happen when there are heavy lightning strikes. These surges can cause serious damage to the electronic devices in your home. Install heat, smoke, CO detector, and a fire extinguisher. The smoke detector alerts you when there is smoke around its operation range. Most smoke detectors equally serve as CO detectors. But where yours can't detect the smell of carbon monoxide, you will need a CO detector. Some smoke detectors also double as heat sensors and would detect when there is a rapid rise in the temperature in the house. If the heat sensor is connected to a monitoring system in the home, an automated alert would be sent to the monitoring company, who would immediately contact the relevant emergency unit for assistance. A fire extinguisher is a device that deals with fire outbreaks. If you have one, the procedure for using it will be clearly spelled out on the body. The fire extinguisher is meant to help bring the fire under control. If you cannot handle the fire, call the proper fire department immediately. Avoid multitasking while cooking. You don't need to handle all the tasks at the same time. Multitasking, while you are cooking, could cause distraction and lead to a domestic accident. You might be so engrossed in an activity that you forget you have something frying on your gas or electric cooker. Some fire-related accidents have resulted from people multitasking while cooking. Some of the tips we have provided here may look quite simple. They are, however, worth taking note of even if as a reminder. Many things do attract criminals to our home. Some of these attractions, unfortunately, stem from our own indiscretion and carelessness. We unwittingly give burglars and other criminally minded people a lead or some clue to burgling our homes. Inasmuch as utmost concern ought to be given to issues of external security threats, it's important to ensure there is no laxity with respect to in-house security and safety issues. If you've found this video helpful, click the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Kindly drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description for more details and visit our website, www.zimhomesecurity.com, for more outstanding home security content like this.